G'day guys, welcome back to SRS. Today we've got Rish's R33 leaving the shop, so we're going to go around and show you all the little goodies that it's got and everything we've done to it. Basically just a standard rebuild RB25 with a sort of aftermarket turbo. It's a Kinarana turbo. Basically, I think it's basically like a high flowed stock turbo, so it's a little bit bigger. And then he's done away with the internal gate and gone to a Turbo Smart external gate there, welded onto the exhaust manifold. Came into us, still on the stock computer, so Rish has gone ahead and he bought an Elite 2000 for us to put in. So up under the dash, we've got that Elite 2000 put in with the plug and play harness, and Daniel's gone ahead and made a bracket for that, so it's all tucked up nicely under the dashboard. Do you want me to just get up under the dashboard? See this, George? Daniel made up a bracket for the Elite 2000 that tucks the ECU. It's so far up here I can't see it, but it's nice and tucked up out of the way to where it's not going to get kicked by your passengers when they get in and move their feet around because they're having so much fun in your fully hectic Skyline. To help sort of go along with that ECU, he's gone ahead and done away with the CAS as well, so we've installed a NZ Wirings trigger kit. So this is like a pretty good option that sort of leaves it plug and play. So along with the trigger kit, we've gone ahead and Rish brought us in some Bosch 1000cc injectors to fit for him. So we've gone ahead and thrown them into the fuel rail. They were all tested and flow matched, so they're all good to go. It's been tuned on E85. Along with that, we've deleted the AFM because it was running the stock computer, so we've gotten rid of the AFM, just extended the existing intake pipe that it had with a little bit more 3-inch stainless and made up a bracket for it, so it's all nice and legal, all nice and secure. And then got the 3-port Mac valve over here as well that we installed for Rish. So that's basically boost control is what it is. So boost control regulated via the ECU as opposed to just boost T or just letting it eat. This is you, George, right? That's you. And then this is the guy that she tells you not to worry about. So he's just way better than you in every sense of the word. It's a Mac valve. We've got the intake air temperature welded into the intake pipe over on this side. Since we've done away with the MAF, they generally have the IAT sensor inside that. So since we've gotten rid of that and gone to the Elite 2000, you've got to weld in a separate IAT sensor. So that's what we've done here. Nissan works, ready to go, turnkey. You see that over there? See the badge on the back of it? I think you're looking at the wrong one. Oh, well, there's two of them actually. You see how the door's open? That's a problem, isn't it? See this one works. See that one? Okay. Oh, that one works too. Thanks for tuning in guys and checking out Rish's R33. This is a really nice example of a clean street car. It's going to be making some pretty good power, and just can't. If you want to head over and check out all our other socials, check us out on YouTube and Instagram. Show your mum, show her mum, show your uncles. Don't show your girlfriends because Daniel will steal them, all right?
This is you, George, right? That's you. And then this is the guy that she tells you not to worry about.
Have a good one.